What are you doing? Oh.
That's mine.
I know.
I was telling Daddy that.
You're gonna love some of the water.
It's pink. It's pink. And then, ah!
Hello. Hello there.
Look at her having fun. So much fun. Well,
It kind of
does
is
look
fun.
well, it does look a lot better.
Yeah. It kind of is fun. And then I got to clean all this stuff out right here. And these are all perennials.
Painted mint.
That Dad painted on and stumped on and everything else. Salvage what I can.
Here's your new home. I'm gonna kill you.
Is that fun?
Yeah. Watch me, Daddy. Watch.
Wow, good jump.
I like this water day.
You like this water day?
Yeah, I'm gonna get
Wet.